Okay guys, we're going to go over problem number 1, 2, 3, and 4 on your 3-9 homework tonight. So as you can see, I already have the chart up here, the table that it has. So let's go over the problem real quick. It says, a nursery sells Kentucky bluegrass seeds for $5.75 a pound. So that actually is going to go right here. 5.75 cents a pound. And tall fescue seeds for $4.50. Tall fescue is right here. $4.50. The nursery sells a mixture of the two kinds of seeds for $5.25. This is the mixture, $5.25. Let K represent the amount of Kentucky bluegrass, and let K represent the amount of Kentucky bluegrass seed the nursery uses in 5 pounds of the mixture. So K is going to be the amount of Kentucky bluegrass. Now, it also said 5 pounds. So the 5 pounds is the mixture right here. So that we know that this is going to be 5 pounds of mixture that they're going to sell for $5.25 a pound, because it said that the nursery uses 5-pound bags of the mix. Now the only thing we don't have is this part right here, but it's easy to find because if you think about it, they mix these two to get 5. So K plus something, I don't know, has to equal 5. So it's really easy to find out what the something is. All I have to do is really just move K. That's a weird K, sorry. And now I have whatever this is equals 5 minus K, which is what it is, 5 minus K. All right, so now we're done with this. Now we're going to make the cost. Remember, this is the equation that we're going to do. So all we really do is do what it says right here. 5.75 K. This is 4.50 multiplied by 5 minus K. This is 5.25 times 5. And this is going to give me my equation. So my equation for the mix is my Kentucky bluegrass, which is $5.75 a pound. And we don't know, K is how much we have, plus, because we add these two to get the mix, my tall fescue, which is $4.50 a pound, and I know that I have 5 minus K, which is the amount I use for that one. That is going to equal the mix, which I know is 5.25 times 5. Okay, from here it's pretty easy. That should be your answer for number 2, which is write an equation. Number 3 is asking you, well, how much Kentucky bluegrass do we use? So, in other words, it's asking, 3 is asking us, what is K? In order to solve for K, we need to figure all this out. So let's start figuring this out. Let's use distributive property right here, and let's multiply those. So, 4.5 times 5 is going to give us 22.5. And 4.5 times K is going to get, or negative K is going to give us negative 4.5 K. And I'm going to bring this part down too. This part has nothing to do with this section right here. 5.25 times 5 is going to give me 26.25. And now I'm just going to simplify. So I'm going to take this 5.75K and add it to the like term, or subtract it, because it's a subtraction right there. So 5.75K minus 4.5K is going to give me 1.25K. Plus this right here, 22.5 equals 26.25. All right, now it's just simple math. I still have to isolate the K. I'm going to subtract 22.5 from both sides to get rid of this. I have 1.25 K equals 3.75. Last step, divide to get K by itself by 1.25. That turns into 1. I'm left with 1K equals 1.25 goes into 3.75 3 times, which means K, which is the amount of Kentucky bluegrass I have, is 3. So your answer for number 3 is 3 pounds. Number 4 is asking us, how much tall fescue does the nursery need in a 5-pound bag? Well, tall fescue is, the formula for that is 5 minus K. We know K is now 3, so 5 minus 3 is 2. And our answer for this is 2 pounds. So hopefully you found this to be pretty simple. It is a lot of work, and that's what I wanted to clarify in class. It is a lot of work, but it is pretty simple once you get down to writing the formula, and hopefully the box helped. Thank you.